So the first topic is census. So according to census literacy rate in India category, data from census of India 2011. Males 82.14%, females 65.46. Overall literacy is 74%. Okay. So these are the main questions and answers regarding to census. Which state of India has the lowest literacy rate as per 2011 census? Answer is Bihar is the least literate state in India with literacy of 63.82%. What is the sex ratio of India as per 2011 census? As per 2011 census, the sex ratio of India is 940 females per 1000 males. What is the position of Madhya Pradesh with respect to total population in India? Answer is Madhya Pradesh is the 5th largest populated state. Fourth question. What is the percentage of urban population in India as per 2011 census? Answer 31.165% of total population can be categorized under urban as per 2011 census in India. Which state in India has the highest population density as per 2011 census? Bihar has the highest population density, that is 1102 square kilometers. Which state of India has the least population as per 2011 census? Answer the least populated state in the country is Sikkim with a population of 6,71,000. Which state of India has the least population density as per 2011 census? Arunachal Pradesh has the least recorded population density as per records is 17 person per square kilometer. Which state has the highest urban population in India as per 2011 census? Goa is the most urbanized state with 62.17% of the population living in urban areas. What is the literacy rate of India as per 2011 census? The overall literacy rate in India is 74% according to 2011 census. Which district of Punjab has the highest population according to 2011 census of India? Ludhiana is the most populated district in the state of Punjab. Which state of India has negative population growth as per 2011 census? Nagaland is the only state in the country to record negative growth in population. Name the most densely populated state in India as per 2011 census. Bihar is the most densely populated state in India. Which is the largest tribal group of India as per census 2011? According to 2011 census of India, Bhil is the most populated tribe with a total population of 4,618,068, 37.7% of the total ST population. Which state in India has the lowest sex ratio percentage as per 2011? Haryana features the lowest sex ratio in India with just 277 women per 1000 males. According to the census of 2011, which is the second most spoken language in India? Bengali is the second most spoken language in India. According to the census 2011, which state has the highest population of tigers in India? Madhya Pradesh has the highest number of tigers in India, which is 526. What is the second most populated state in India? Maharashtra is the second most populated state in India. Who is 2011 Census Commissioner of India? C.M. Chandramouli was the Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India for the year 2011 Indian Census. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share it.